The auction is a bid down interest rate. It's a bid down interest rate. Down interest rate. So that means the auction will start at 16%. Whoever pays the lowest interest rate will control the lien. All the way down to 0.
Whoever pays the money?
Right, whoever accepts the lowest interest rate.
Oh, it's like an auction.
Right, it is an auction.
No, but I'm saying they're paying.
Therefore, you're making less money.
Right,
Yeah.
that's correct.
Whoever accepts less money.
Correct.
for the
Well,
property
women.
then.
Right, so whoever accepts the lowest interest rate,
Well, that's not
okay,
good.
is gonna control the lien.
It's also helping the, it's also helping the owner keep the property.
Well, no, that's irrelevant. Yeah. Yeah, no, it isn't, because it doesn't matter if I get 16 or 0%, it still doesn't make a difference. You know what I mean?
Whoever charges the
Not
less
like interest.
interest.
Right, so remember that. Whoever accepts the lowest interest rate as a bidder in the state of Arizona will control the lien. And you will receive a certificate. Okay? We all understand that now.
Yeah, now.
All right?
Florida is the same?
Florida is a bid down interest rate, 18% interest rate. Okay?